What's going on, y'all? Today we have something a little different for you. We have an accessory that you probably need. Uh, I've been needing this for a long time, and I finally got one. You know, we have this 36-inch air fryer unit that has a lid. Love it. You've seen the 22-inch that we just seasoned. It has a lid also, but now you've probably seen a lot in our videos. This 36-inch back here in the background. We use it quite a bit, and maybe not on film a lot, but we do use it a lot. Problem is, no cover. Now we do have the soft cover that goes on it. Problem with that is when we use that, we got to put a bowl on it to keep the cover from actually touching the griddle top and getting all kind of greasy and nasty. So we've been looking for a hard top. Well, the fine folks at Griddle Guard reached out to us and sent us this big package right here. Now, in this package, as you see, I haven't opened it yet. Is a diamond plate hard cover. Not only is it a cover, it can hang off the back, and we're going to show you all this. It can hang off the back. It's a splash guard. I know the first question you're going to ask, does it work with a grease trap? They say it does. We're going to find out. So it hangs off the back as a splash guard. It covers your griddle, so it protects it. And also, they say you can use it as like a serving table or a tabletop. So we're going to check all that out. But before we do, please like, subscribe, and comment on this video. It really helps us out, man. We're growing so quick. There's some big things coming along pretty quickly. Got a big announcement coming right at the first of the year, so stay tuned for that. Got a lot of things happening. So please like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you don't miss on anything that we got coming up. We got some big things happening. So get all that done. Also in the description down there, we have a Facebook, a Pinterest, a Twitter, and Instagram. What else we got down there? We have a email. We have a P.O. box. We have all kind of things down there. A lot of ways to keep track of us, get in touch with us, and what have you. So, hey, check all that out. We also have a Blackstone recipe playlist down there. So if you want to see some awesome recipes that we've done, check that out. Also, down there, the link to Griddle Guard that makes these awesome covers is down there. Check them out. These griddle covers are going for right at $80-something, $100, somewhere around there. I think it's an awesome deal. It really is. So let's open this box and let's check it out. Okay, this is the box that have been sent to me. It's not that heavy. It really ain't. So let's cut this thing open and see what we have in here. Well, oh wow. Y'all look at this. Oh, I like it. I'm liking this. Y'all look at that. Very well made. It's sturdy and not that heavy. Let's get this box out the way, y'all. Throw it out of the way. All right, let me turn this around so y'all can see it a little better. You see it's got a tapered edge right there. This is going to be the front. This is the back. There's our hooks. Hang it on. Now, they also have here, we got to put it together, which is not a big deal. It's a wooden handle, y'all. Check that out. It's a wooden handle. Even the diamond plate, I like that. Even to match that. That is nice. Get out of here. So y'all, that will mount right here on the front, like that. That's gonna be nice. I like this. We gotta get this thing put together. All right, let's put this thing together and let's get it on the griddle. Give y'all a little close up here. I mean, look. Nice smooth welded edges there. And I have not put the handle on yet, but give you an idea here what's going on. Just give you a real good close up of the quality work that you will be getting if you order one of these covers. There's them hooks that will hang on the back. This is the inside of the cover. Let you look at the welds and stuff in there, because I'm sure that's going to be a lot of people's concern or questions, I should say. So yeah, let's get this handle on here. Get on the griddle. So what we're going to need to put the handle on is these little screws. Take an Allen pack. I don't know what size that is, but it takes a little Allen pack. And I have number 11 wrench to hold the nuts there. All right, there you go. The handle is on. I like that black wood look right there against that diamond plate. That looks really good. I like this. This is nice. So now we got the handle on. It was, really hard. 4 little bolts, a little washer, some nuts. Put them together, hold it on there. Let's put this thing on the griddle. When I say this thing is lightweight, I mean it really is. I mean, look at that one finger. Either that or I'm just really strong. No, really, it is very lightweight. Put on here. All right, y'all, let's see how this fits. Ooh, I like that. That changes the way this griddle looks altogether. I love it. Now, we do have the rear grease trap on here. So what you do is you just take it, hang it, and look at there. It still works with the rear grease trap. I know a lot of people wonder about that. As you can see, it's there. Let me show you a little close-up of that. To be honest, that was actually one of my concerns. As you see, this griddle needs some help. We're going to re-season this griddle for much longer. But anyhow, as you see, the rear grease trap is mounted down there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there it is. Get y'all a view from behind here. See there? It is back there. So you can use this. And what's awesome about this, the way it mounts like this, is now this can be a splash guard while you're cooking. I'm really liking this. This really changes everything on this griddle. I mean, it really, I love the way it makes it look. So there you go. I mean, if you're looking for an awesome Christmas present or just, hey, buy it for yourself if you need to. I'm loving it. Thank you so much. The fine folks at Griddle Guard, you did an awesome job. Now, just so you know, you don't have to get the diamond plated. There is a black that matches the Blackstone, and it's flat. It's not diamond plate, and you can put it on there. Now, I'm actually loving this diamond plate, y'all. I mean, look how that griddle looks now. That is just beautiful. Thank you so much, fine folks at Griddle Guard. Y'all check them out. The link down is below in the description. If y'all are looking for this or any other things, hey, let me know. Maybe I can find them for you or something. Let you point you in the right direction. I don't know. I love these lids on these other Blackstones, but I'm really loving the look of this. This is awesome, amazing. So be sure to check the link down below for Griddle Guard. Click on it, check them out. They got some awesome products over there. I'm gonna tell you, they shipped this very quickly. It was amazing how quickly it got here. I like looking at it. It's beautiful. So get all that done. Check them out. Thank you so much. The people at Griddle Guard, thank you so much for sending this out to us. We love it. I love it, love it, love it. Telling all my friends about it, I promise you. So check all the links out below. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment. Check out Griddle Guard, and we'll see you next time.